So great roofing contractors are talking to homeowners about trim because it's such a key part of protecting that overall roof structure. It protects from water damage, whether that's the flashings or the eave trim that moves water away from the roof. It protects the substructure, which is often made of wood, and elements like W-valley protect those critical areas in the roof to make sure that water moves away, moves down the roof, and protects the overall structure of the home. And so homeowners are starting to think differently about their roof trim. In the past, they either matched the siding, they matched the roof, or they chose white. And what we're seeing now is homeowners are really using it as an architectural detail and design. They're choosing colors that accent or call out features on the home. They're using it as a key part of the story to create the overall look and design of the home.